DC4 production. Welcome to my loyal people. Your eternal loyalty for your unquestionable support. Thank you for sticking around always and be concerned about this channel. FDC4 production is not being sponsored by anybody. This is a channel that is focused on giving back to the community, the working class people, low income family, those who don't have anything. We are here to provide information that you can take for free and take advantage of it for your well-being. There are many things out there that you can actually use for a living and live off it, but you gotta go after it. Information is power. It used to be we held by a small chunk of elite people back in the time, but that's things of the past. Now, with the tip of your fingers, you can get access to them, to the internet. Technology is open and is on our side. So now you can get access to many intel, but I understand you cannot catch all the good flights at the John F. Kennedy Airport. I get it. This is why I'm here, to get a few of those and sharing them with you on here, so you can fly away in peace and happy. Let's go straight to business. Today I'm bringing you something really cool. Some of you may know about it, but just didn't mind that much. Some of you had no idea, and now you know that you can earn crypto while learning about crypto. What about that? By Coinbase. Yes. You can discover how specific cryptocurrencies work and get a bit of each crypto to try out for yourself. And the best of everything, for free. Yes, this is the best way of earning. You can invest and earn cryptocurrencies while you are learning about it, and you are not engaged in any risk at all, because you are getting some for free. You accumulating, you building your profile. That's what I'm trying to say. Building your profile without any currency coming out of your pockets, whether it's your euro, dollars. I mean, you actually getting these, you gaining knowledge, and on top of that, you actually getting some part of that company. Keep it in there and keep moving. Then over time, yes, you have a job, steady job, and you actually moving better. You can actually add to your position for the future. You might have a very solid portfolio of different things that you have been earning over time. That is correct. And this is smart, ladies and gentlemen. They are giving you a piece of their company. This could be small amount. Yeah, I get it. But you are learning and you're getting paid for that, for that teaching. And who knows, you actually may end up understanding so well about any project that they provide you for you to learn that you might even like it, might identify with it, and follow up later on and invest because you know what you're doing. There's no worse thing than investing on something that you don't know or have no idea about. That is called gambling, and that's the reason why many happily go and throw their money in the casino. They don't even get quiet and understand them well. So there's no worse thing that somebody that goes to a gambler, but on top of that doesn't understand what is gambling their money in. That's gambling to the square power. You just wanna go there for the moment. Well, at least you get some free drinks. So, but in everything that you do, that's what I'm trying to explain. You gotta understand, you gotta learn, you gotta study it, and then you go after. Don't just throw yourself in the middle of the hurricane without understanding the concepts or the things that compose that hurricane that you're getting yourself involved with. Chances are that you're not gonna come out alive. As anything else in life, it makes sense that if you get involved into something, it's because you quite understand it. You gotta, it's like the pre-workout, you gotta start to get ready before going to war. Otherwise, you're gonna die. It's plain and simple like that. So, moving forward into this, I want to show you two projects. They are giving you the Graph GRT. The Graph is a protocol for indexing and querying blockchain data. It's really nice. Learn how it works and you will earn GRT tokens. You can earn $4 worth of GRT tokens. You start the course in here. Obviously, you can see in the top right corner section that I'm not signed up into this. So when I click on it, it's going to ask me about information that I don't. Anyways, we got the second one, which is AMP. AMP provides instant settlement assurance anytime value is transferred. Learn how it works and you will earn up to $3 worth in AMP tokens. How does Coinbase work? About learning about crypto, earning about crypto. You just gotta watch the videos. They have created educational tutorials to teach you about different cryptocurrencies. Also, you feel like you already learned about the material that they are providing you through that video. You can Google more if you want, but I would recommend you to stick only with what they're showing you, because all the questions are going to be coming from it. But additional intel doesn't hurt. You're gonna go to take a quiz which you had to complete. After each tutorial, you will receive a simple quiz testing what you have learned, which I would strongly recommend that you pass it 100%. And then, in the step 3, is when you're gonna earn. You will receive crypto in Coinbase for every quiz you complete as satisfactory. Start today. Opportunities to earn crypto don't last long, so get started today. I definitely gonna put the URL down below that you can use in order to open a Coinbase account. By using that, you will be able to get some extra coins. I believe they give you some reward. I don't know if it's $5 or something like that, but to me, that might to my channel, to me as well. Okay. This is limited while supplies last, and the amount offered for each quiz may vary. You must verify ID to be eligible and complete a quiz to earn. Customer may only earn once per quiz. Coinbase reserves the right to cancel and the earn offer at any time. Coinbase received fees from assets issuer in connection with creating and distributing assets and or protocol specific earned content. Please bring some integrity into these. Don't try to cheat the system, so they can continue doing this. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna leave it up to this point. As usual, gonna put the URL, the main URL of this particular page down below, so you have an idea the way, so you can come in here and double check everything on your own. And I'm gonna put the URL that you can use to open yourself a Coinbase account. All right. Thank you. Thank you a lot. I hope that you like this video. Thank you for reaching FTC for production, and have a wonderful day. Until the next video, 3 videos a day. That's what I'm providing. Seriously. Let's see if we can make it happen.